Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern bathroom decoration ideas are all about blending form and function to create a space that is sleek, inviting, and highly functional. A key characteristic of modern bathroom design is the use of a neutral color palette. White, grays, and earthy tones are popular choices, creating an atmosphere of cleanliness and simplicity while making the space feel open and bright. Minimalism is a guidance principle in modern bathroom decor. Clean lines, uncultured surfaces, and a emphasis on simplicity define the style's floating vanities are a common feature, adding to the minimalist aesthetic while also maximizing floor space. If a space allows free understanding, bathhubs with sculptured designs can serve as a luxurious focal point. Frameless glass shower enclosures are a hallmark of modern bathrooms. They contribute to an open and airy feel, allowing natural light to flow through and showcasing beautifully tight shower interiors. Large mirrors play a dual role in modern bathroom. They provide a functional purpose for grooming and also make the space feel larger and brighter. High quality materials are essential in modern bathrooms to ensure durability and longevity. Open shelving and strategically placed niches providing storage options that maintain the minimalist artistic. Finally, indoor plants or hanging planters add a touch of nature and freshness to the modern bathroom, creating a harmonious and living atmosphere. Incorporating these modern decoration ideas can help create a space that is not only stylish but also highly functional, meeting your design preferences and on daily needs seamlessly. Personalizing these ideas to your unique taste and requirements will ensure your modern bathroom is a true reflection of your style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.